Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pin a specific folder to your Windows 11 taskbar, since there is no direct option for this. And now, let's get started. You might have noticed that Windows 11 does not offer a straightforward way to pin a particular folder directly to your taskbar. If you right-click on a folder, you will not find an option to pin it. To begin, locate the folder you wish to pin to your taskbar. For demonstration purposes, let us assume you want to pin a folder located on your desktop. First, you will need to create a shortcut for this folder. To do this, right-click on the folder, select More Options, and then choose Send to Desktop. This will generate a shortcut for the folder on your desktop. Even with the shortcut created, you still will not see a direct option to pin it to the taskbar. Here is the crucial step. Right-click on the folder shortcut you just created. Navigate to More Options and then select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Target section. At the very beginning of the path listed in the Target field, type explorer.exe, followed by a space. This effectively places the File Explorer executable before the path to your folder. After adding explorer.exe and a space, click on Apply, and then click on OK. Now, when you right-click on the folder shortcut again and select Show More Options, you will see the option to Pin to Taskbar. Clicking this will successfully pin your desired folder to your Windows 11 taskbar. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.